Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the GK class of class 10th. Today we will go through many terms related to the environment through the word game given in your book in page number 24. The clues are given on page number 25. Now let us start the topic. Renewable energy is a kind of energy that can be used and reused any number of times. The important types of renewable energy are wind energy, solar energy, hydro or tidal electricity, geothermal energy, biomass energy, and tidal energy. The renewable sources of energy can be used again and again. They are inexhaustible, they are eco-friendly, means they do not pollute the atmosphere, they are cheaper in the long run. Methane is the most toxic greenhouse gas emission common around landfills and farms. It is a major cause for global warming as methane traps the heat coming from the sun and radiated back by the earth. Consumers or the buyers have the power to influence the kind of products sold in the stores. The supply of goods depends largely on the demand of the consumers. Fuel cell is an electrochemical cell that produces electricity from a replenishable fuel tank by combining hydrogen and oxygen. Fuel cell can be used in cars. Bicycle is an efficient, environment-friendly mode of transport with two wheels. The first bicycle of India was produced in 1940. India is the second largest producer of bicycle after China. Trees are very important living beings. They consume carbon dioxide, convert it into food, and they produce oxygen for us. Natural gas is a mixture of flammable gases. Flammable means which can catch fire easily. Mainly it contains hydrocarbons, methane and ethane, which occur beneath the surface of the earth. Natural gas is obtained by drilling. The areas which are rich in petroleum are also rich in natural gas. In India, Maharashtra is the largest producer of natural gas. Deforestation is the extensive clearing of forest, usually causing ecological harm. Population growth, growth of industries, urbanization, and increasing demand of land for agriculture are the main causes of deforestation. A hybrid car is a car that uses more than one source of power to move around. It uses petrol, diesel, CNG, LPG, even batteries. Some examples of hybrid cars are Toyota Camry Hybrid, Toyota Prius, and Ford Fusion Hybrid. We have started celebrating the Earth Day since 1970. Earth Day is celebrated all over the world on 22nd April every year. Every year, more than 193 countries celebrate Earth Day. This year, Earth Day 2020 is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. Celebrations included activities such as the Great Global Cleanup, citizen science, advocacy, education and art. This year's theme for Earth Day 2020 was climate action. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many of the planned activities were moved online. Now, let us see what are organic food. Organic food is food that has been produced without using synthetic fertilizers, chemicals, or hormones. In place of them, organic manures are used. Ecosystem is a complex set of relationship among the living resources, habitats, and residents of an area, including plants, birds, fish, animals, microorganisms, soil, water, and humans. In an ecosystem, all the living beings are interdependent. Topsoil refers to surface soil that usually includes the organic layer in which plants have most of the roots. Over time, it is washed away because of erosion or intensive agriculture. The erosion of the topsoil disturbs the agricultural pattern of an area, so it must be stopped. Ozone layer is the part of the atmosphere that repels the sun's ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays are intense sun rays that can harm living beings on the earth. Ultraviolet rays can even cause global warming. The full form of the 3 R's is reduce, reuse, recycle. These 3 R's can help us to lessen the harmful impact on the environment and create a more sustainable world. So, everyone should adopt the 3 R's that are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Kyoto Treaty is an international treaty that gave countries a timeline to reduce their emissions of greenhouse gases. The Kyoto Protocol was adopted in Kyoto, Japan on 11th December 1997 and entered into force on 16 February 2005. There are currently 192 parties. Canada withdrew from the treaty in 2012. Ecological footprint is a tool to measure a human being's impact on the environment. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, etc. are greenhouse gases that trap the heat coming from the sun and cause global warming. Hydrogen is one of the most abundant gases present on the earth, which can be used as a fuel source to run vehicles. Sustainable resources are the resources that can be used in such a way that it is not depleted or exhausted permanently. The word sustainable means to continue in future, and sustainable use means to use the resources in such a way that it is saved for the future or it can be continued to be used in future. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are called fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are used largely by human beings. It is found underground and is non-renewable. Burning of fossil fuels cause air pollution too. Solar energy is the most abundant energy source that can be harnessed by human beings. In India, the Thar Desert has the greatest potential for developing solar energy. Solar energy is renewable, inexhaustible, and eco-friendly source of energy. In the long run, it is a cheap source of energy. Children, with this, we complete our today's topic. You must go through the terms we have discussed today and complete the word game given in your book. You must read newspaper every day and write 10 permanent news from different fields like politics, business, sports, entertainment, national and international events. You must find at least 10 words each day from the newspaper and write their meanings in your GK file. Now we will meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.